All right, y'all, we're gonna make this kit from Jam Designs and Supplies. It has seven bundles of Tulip like this, and then you get an 18-inch oval grapevine, and then you'll get 3 of these filler bushes. So my plan is to just push these all the way up. They are pushers. Push them all the way up, and I'm gonna snip these like right here, and then I'm gonna bundle them together, because you don't want to shove them in like that because you don't need this long stem, right? So I'm gonna trim this right here, and we're gonna make shorter bundles and go and add them around. And then I'm gonna go in with the filler bush. So let's cut this up. Once I get them all cut on the one bush, and I have 7 bushes, I'm just gonna put them together like this. Push them together even. And I'm gonna zip tie them together with some baby zip ties. And we're just gonna make 7 bundles just like this. Trim it flush. All right, now that we got these 7 bundles, we're going to just work them in. So we're just gonna go ahead and just go between the grapevine. We're just gonna make bundles that go around. And we're gonna make sure they separate accordingly to where they will all, and you can kind of push these in as well. But as I go along, I'm just gonna hit it with a glue gun. I always use Gorilla Glue with a high temp glue gun. So right wherever I got it in there, we're just gonna pop some glue on it. Like I said, you can even adjust some of the tulips that are already in the bundle. I'm gonna trim this one a little bit more flush to where they're even. Makes them go in there a lot easier. And then just kind of, we're just going to make sure they kind of go up next to each other. Let's go ahead and pop some glue on these. And you can also do the opposite way if you want to, but I'm just going to keep the flow. And you can adjust some of these, because they're pushers, you can adjust some of these tulips after you get them in there to slide up or down to make sure you're getting the coverage you need. me go ahead. Just taking and fluffing out all of these beautiful tulips. Get the right good flowage for all of them. The ends right here, there can go a little bit longer. Now we're going to work in to break up, make it a little bit more full. We're going to go ahead and cut these up. There's 3 of these, and we're going to work these in there. Start dipping and sticking all of these all in between. I like to push mine up, trim them a little bit shorter, just dip it in my glue pot and keep on going. We're going to do the inner and the outer. I'm also going to take, because mine looks a little bit skimpy right here, I'm just going to take some from down here, just a couple, and then just pop them somewhere else. You just wanted to keep that flow. So I'm just taking a couple from the bottom, and I'm just popping them right here at the top. To even it out, that's all. Let's keep putting the rest of this filler bush in there, and then we'll be done. I'll go inside some of the tulips. I'm getting down to the last pieces of my filler bush, so I just want to kind of make sure that we're proportioned out good. All in the middle, all on the sides, all on the inside. Good thing about these tulips are they are just so like forgiving. Like you could cut them out and replace them other places if it just seems to be unbalanced a little bit. They're really flirty. They're pushers. I love these bundles of tulips. It's really pretty. Just make sure your leaves are all turned. These are the leaves that are on the tulips. Make sure they're all turned the right way. Last two. All right, and this is what we came out with. And I loved how it turned out. Pretty easy on an 18-inch oval grapevine. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later.